Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play generator hell Forsaken using an easy method. To succeed, first grasp the core objective, activating all generators. Focus on stealth and evasion to avoid the enemy, rather than direct confrontation. Teamwork is crucial. Coordinate with allies for quicker progress. Always use your surroundings, like tall obstacles, for cover and to plan your escape routes effectively. When repairing generators, listen for their distinct hum to find them quickly. Prioritize repairing generators located in less dangerous, isolated areas first. Always remain vigilant and aware of the enemy's patrol routes around your current generator. If an enemy approaches within 20 meters, stop your repair immediately and find a hiding spot, like a locker or dense bush, to avoid detection. Mastering evasion is key to survival. When pursued, break the enemy's line of sight by using environmental obstacles such as walls or large crates. Sprint only when absolutely necessary to conserve your stamina and minimize noise. Utilize hiding spots like lockers or tall vegetation to disappear from view. Learning common enemy movement patterns will help you predict their next move and plan your escape. Effective teamwork significantly increases your chances of success. Communicate vital information, such as generator progress and enemy locations, to your allies. Distribute tasks strategically. Perhaps one player repairs while another creates a distraction. Always prioritize helping down teammates, but only when it is completely safe to do so. Remember, the ultimate goal is to complete the objective, not merely to survive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.